I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming these broken, useless LED light bulbs into perfectly working lights again. To check if they still work, I will plug them into the test socket. I'm screwing the first light bulb into the test socket and flipping the switch. The bulb lights up immediately, indicating that it is still in good working order. I'll mark them with a pen so we can keep track of which is which during the repairs. I'm screwing the second light bulb into the socket and checking it. As you can see, no light is coming from this light bulb. I need to access the internal circuitry, so I'm using a utility knife to carefully pry off the plastic dome. Now we can see the LED board inside. Before I can fix it, I need a special tool to find the exact problem. I'm taking a pair of metal tweezers and sliding a piece of heat shrink tubing over the handle. I'll use a lighter to shrink it tight. This step is absolutely crucial because the tubing insulates the tweezers, protecting me from any electrical shocks while I test the live board. With my insulated tweezers ready, I'll plug the bulb back into the power socket. Now, I'm going to carefully short out each LED chip one by touching both sides. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. When I touch the faulty chip, it completes the broken circuit, and the rest of the board lights up. I'll quickly mark this broken LED with a pen so I don't lose its position once the power is off. Next, I need to remove that dead LED. I'm taking my utility knife and gently scraping the yellow chip right off the surface of the board. This exposes the metal contact pad underneath, which we will need to bridge together to complete the circuit permanently. For the first repair method, I'm using a disposable razor. I'll use pliers to carefully extract the metal blade. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Then I'll snip off a tiny piece of the blade. This small piece of highly conductive metal will act as our bridge to reconnect the circuit where the broken LED used to be. To hold our metal bridge securely in place, I'm cutting a small square of electrical tape. I'll stick the tiny blade piece onto the center of the tape. Then, I will carefully place it directly over the exposed contact points. I'll press it down firmly to ensure a solid, lasting electrical connection. To ensure it is securely fixed, I will apply super glue over the electrical tape. I'll plug it into the socket. And look at that, it works perfectly. The circuit is complete, and the light is bright again. I'll pop the plastic dome back on, and this first bulb is as good as new. Now let's look at the second broken bulb. Just as expected, it isn't lighting up, even though I've flipped the switch on and off multiple times. I'll remove the dome just like before. Using my insulated tweezers, I'll find the dead chip, mark it, and carefully scrape it off to expose the metal contacts underneath. The preparation process is exactly the same, but this time we'll use a different, very common material for the bridge. For this second method, I'm taking an old SIM card. The gold part contains conductive metal. I'll carefully peel the thin metal contact layer away from the plastic backing. Then, I'll use my scissors to cut a tiny square of the gold contact, just big enough to bridge the gap on the LED board. Just like the first bulb, I'll use a small piece of electrical tape to hold the gold square in place. I'll position it carefully over the scraped contacts and press it down tight. This gold piece is an excellent conductor and will easily bridge the circuit, allowing the electricity to flow to the rest of the LEDs. Let's test this second repair. I'll plug it in and boom! It lights up perfectly, just like the first one. I'll snap the cover back on. 2 broken LED bulbs saved from the trash using simple items like a razor blade and an old SIM card. If you enjoyed this project and found it helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me your thoughts. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.